subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under Y series in China called Vivo Y74s, and it is quite similar to recently launched Vivo Y76s smartphone. Talking about the specifications.
But before we get started, I wanted to ask you something. Are you looking for a great smartphone with great deal? Then definitely you should see these 4 smartphones by DOOGEE.
DOOGEE S88 Plus, S96 Pro, S97 Pro and N40 Pro. All these 4 devices comes with a stunning metal body with attractive design. Amazing camera to capture better photos with night vision support. It is equipped with powerful processor with good amount of RAM and storage options. And it has huge battery to keep on device going with heat dissipation system support. And moreover, it includes professional laser rangefinder for accurate measurement. The pricing details for this 4 smartphone are as follows, but you can get this at an attractive discount for a limited period of time.
So hurry up. If you want to get this device, I have provided the link in the description below. So go and grab it.
Now coming back to the Vivo Y74s smartphone. The Vivo Y74s features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a large 90.61% screen to body ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset coupled with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be expanded up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is again expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Vivo Y74s supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording, and at the front it has an 8MP selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with Origin OS Skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4100 mAh battery that supports 44W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes 5-layer liquid cooling system, Gamebox 10 and Game Eye 2.0 protection mode. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.84 by 75 by 7.79mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y74s has been priced in China at 2,299 Chinese yuan, and it will be soon available for purchase in the country in Galaxy Blue and Starlight Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y74s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.